Hi guys,
Please don't judge.
I'm back.
Judge
So
what my TV
is that my
the sounds of my TV because
taught me how to do.
It's an ad,
but I forgot the steps, and I forgot what's the name of this.
It was an ad, and then
but I know
put
it's
something
a cup
from
of something.
my little sister, so she can watch.
So she taught the whole entire class how to do it. All right. So look, I just leave it there and just poke at it sometimes, and water comes out, like literally water. Let me turn my camera around so you can watch. Okay, see? And that is dried up, but I just need to put water in it. It looks wet because it is wet. And sometimes it's rock solid if you just... It's like a liquid. Wait, hold up. So it's like a liquid, but not really. It's like a liquid and solid, all right? Liquid and a solid. Don't forget that. Okay, let me go wet all of these, and then I'll be right back. Oh no. Okay. Okay guys, I'm back. So, look. Let me make it a circle just to make sure you can see it.
No more bad guy stuff. Oh, all right. As long as I get my cookie. You got it, cat rat. Yeah, water. Oh. Hey, I didn't even get wet. Thanks, Kitty Fairy. Here's to heroes. And the cookies. I'll eat to that.
Good.
Thanks for all your super help today.
Look.
Are you ready for another surprise?
It looks like a rock when it's not a rock. Okay, so I might teach you the steps and find out what's it called in part 2. All right, so I suggest to go watch part 2 if I were you. Okay, go watch part 2. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.